Hi children, this is the 5th class social lesson 7. The lesson name is The Explorers. Here some pictures are there. These things are used by explorers during the voyages. The first picture, mariner's compass. The second one, telescope. The third one is map. Explorer means a person who travels to unknown regions. Exploration means traveling. What were the reason for explorations? Because the land route from Europe to Asia was closed. So, the Europeans needed to find out a sea route to Asia. This is the first reason. Second reason was the people wanted to know more about the world. The third reason was the rulers wanted to become richer. So, they started voyage by the explorers. For the exploration purpose, they used better ships, good maps, and new navigational instruments. Here, some explorers' names are there. Christopher Columbus, Ferdinand Magellan, Bartholomew Diaz, Vasco da Gama, and Marco Polo. You can see sea route from this map. This is the sea route. The first explorer is Christopher Columbus. He was born in Genoa in Italy in 1451. His first voyage was in 1492. Voyage means a long journey by water. He sailed across the Atlantic Ocean from Spain to find a sea route to India to trade for spices. But he cannot find out a sea route to India. He reached the Caribbean island. Columbus tried 5 times to find out a sea route to India, but he failed all the time and discovered a land of America. The next explorer was Bartholomew Diaz. He was a Portuguese explorer. The King of Portugal had appointed him to discover a sea route to India. He sailed across the southern tip of Africa, but he cannot find out a sea route to India. Finally, he discovered the Cape of Good Hope. His discovery opened a new route to India. Its result, the Europeans could trade directly with India and other parts of Asia. The next explorer is Ferdinand Magellan. He was a Portuguese explorer. First he travelled around the earth. Then he sailed across the Atlantic Ocean and reached South America. After sailing for many days, he faced bad weather. Then he reached calm waters. So he named it the Pacific Ocean. Magellan's voyage started foundation for trade between the West and East. His discoveries opened new doors to a large world. The next explorer is Vasco da Gama. Vasco da Gama also a Portuguese navigator. He discovered a sea route from Portugal to the east. He travelled along the coast of Africa and crossed the Indian Ocean. And on 20th May 1498, Vasco da Gama reached Calicut in Kerala and welcomed by the local ruler, the Samorin. Vasco da Gama's voyage resulted in Portugal amassing wealth through spice trade. The discoveries of sea route resulted in the trade between East and West. The European companies set up trading posts in India and gradually became territories that were governed by European government or kings. Finally, these discoveries helped to spread Christianity in India.